Hey everybody, welcome to another exciting edition of Dan's Models. This is John. I'm sitting here with Dan again. And if this looks familiar, it's because it is. And last week we had our first ever run-by of the N-scale TSG trains, or train, I should say, the freight train.
The freight train, yeah.
And see, but that's not all you built though, right?
Right. I also built a passenger train, and I built some maintenance of way cars.
Mm-hmm.
So today we're doing a run-by first with the passenger train.
Okay.
And then we're going to run the maintenance of way train.
Okay. That sounds really fun.
Yeah. So, and I put 2 engines on each this time instead of all 4 on one. So,
yeah, that would be overpowering for
probably, yeah. So,
okay, so let's give that passenger train the signal to go, and then we'll come back after that and talk a little bit about the MOW.
okay. Here we go.
Okay. So that was exciting.
Yeah.
So now we've seen now was that all the cars?
That's all the cars that I currently have finished.
Okay.
I have, there's a couple more that have been on my workbench for actually probably years now, that eventually I'll get around to finishing, but that's all the ones that I have done so far.
Okay. Well, the maintenance of way crews moved the train into position, Dan.
Yeah.
So let's see if we can get them on the radio. Here it comes.
All right.
Bad tracks.